Okay, folks, we are here at Terminal 3, Ninoy Aquino International Airport with my travel buddy. We're going to
Turkey.
Turkey, yeah. Our next destination is Istanbul, Turkey. Pilot, salute to the pilot. Perfect touchdown. Wow, very soft. Wala siya yung mga bug 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 bug. I like that, very good. Alright folks, we're in Istanbul, Turkey right now. So those are the teams, Czech Republic. VNL team volleyball players. Well, they're with us on the plane. Welcome to Istanbul, Turkey. Cool.
Udah nyampe, udah nahan dari pesawat seperti berani katanya.
Sobrang laki ng airport nila rito. Nandito na kami sa labas ng airport. Their airport is so huge and so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Very nice. Walang-wala ang airport sa Pinas. Look at that. Wow, look. Amazing. Dito lang pwede ka na maggala-gala. Oh my gosh. Okay. So nice. Sobrang laki ng airport.
Pero maaraw din siya. Hindi tayo doon tayo sa department.
Sobrang laki ng airport dito. Amazing. Amazing airport.
Mukha nila mga tao dito.
Oh, mawawala ka pala rito. Sobrang ano. Wow, look at their ceiling. See? Wow. Amazing. So, maaga rin magsigising ang mga tao dito. Okay. We'll look for the bus and then we're gonna travel city center. Meanwhile, folks, welcome to Dante's Daily Diary. Hope you're having a great time. We're having a great time here at Istanbul, Turkey. Alright, we're gonna explore the area, eat some food, and then buy some souvenirs. Alright folks, let's check it out. Okay, so from the airport, we took number 11 bus. Number 11 going to city center, Aksaray. We bought the ticket, and the ticket cost you at least about 204 Turkish lira. It's about like €7 or $8 US, something like that. The bus going to Aksaray is going to take you to the city center. You have to purchase the ticket first. That's Bay 11, and it's heaviest bus. So that's from the airport. So when you exit the airport, exit the immigration, you just go down straight away, and then you take the number Bay 11 going to Aksaray, heaviest bus. All right, folks. So yeah, here it is. There you go. So we're gonna take the bus going to Aksaray City Center. Alright. Itong travel buddy ko, ang kulit. Excited na excited. Andito kami dun sa bus. Oh, hindi niya alam kung saan upo, kung doon sa dulo o dito. Dito na lang kasi lapit dito. Tingnan mo nga, oh, yan, si Laila. Oh, aray. Ay, hindi, si Laila de Anim. Huwag pala madidimanda tayo.
Leila.
Si Laylay. Si Laylay
De Ani.
de Anim. Yan.
Laylay.
Laylay. Kaya kita niya ha, oh. Mas maganda to. Pero yung buhok niya, kuwang-kuha niya yung kay doon sa politician. Doon sa politician. Kuwang-kuha niya. Yung bang doon sa nakulong. Oh, ito yung pera nila, oh. Yan, oh. Yan.
Coins.
Oh, yan yung coins nila. Uy, yung papel. Tingnan ko nga yung papel. Yeah, maganda may kasama kayong travel buddy. No, you have to have travel buddy with you. So when you travel everywhere, at least you have someone to talk to while traveling. Alright? Not just like vlogging alone, you know. It's too boring. But anyway, ito yung pera nila, oh. 50.
Lira.
Yan, 50 Turkish lira yung iba. 50. Meron silang 200. Ayan, oh. 200. Yun, 200. Yan, yung mga pera nila. So,
Right, ito ang ticket nila.
and
200.
ito yung ticket nila. Ito yung ticket. Uy, ito yung ticket nila sa bus. Wala kayong babayarang konduktor. Hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas. May mga sumasalisi. Nagbabayad ka. Pero hindi naman pala konduktor. Tapos, tatakas. Tapos saka kayo sisingli ng driver. Sasabihin hindi daw konduktor yun. Magbabayad kayo ulit. Ang daing racket sa Pilipinas. Dito hindi. Ayos. Alright folks. Oh.
Hindi, bukas.
Yung bus nila may TV rin. Wow.
Last ano daw naman pala yun.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to Aksaray station. That's the last stop, and then from there we're gonna stroll the city center. All right, with of course my travel buddy here.
Laylay. Di Anim.
Right. Okay. So okay, folks. So let's wait for a bit, and then we'll see you at the mall. See you soon. Bye for now.
Thank you.